Hey babe, now we're gonna make a nopales salad. But in the Mexican belief, we put a copper coin or whatever is made of copper. So that way the nopal is not gonna be that slimy. You know, because a lot of, I don't know how to call it, like booger. Like
Slimy,
moco.
like the okra.
Yeah, exactly. So look what we have here. Nopalucos cucos. And I like this one because it's more than Casa Lucas. I'm just gonna put some and everything. Better say.
So this
And
is cactus, by
cactus,
the way.
yeah. Cactus. Put some onion. We put some, we can put some garlic salt.
Show it.
Garlic salt. Just a little bit. And at the end, we're gonna put salt. So this is just a little bit. Take the rice. Just here. And we also make cooking some
Okay, so we're just gonna boil that one.
I'm just gonna boil it and wait for it. It's gonna be, once this is already boiled and soft, we're gonna need cilantro, lots of it. We're gonna need onion, we already have here. We're gonna chop it, dice it or whatever. We're gonna need tomatoe, remember the tomatoe. So it's pretty easy and simple recipe, to be honest. Just,
Careful with your hands.
yeah, more. Dice it. Chingada madre. I'm not an expert with the knives, but I try hard. I try hard. Now Cosi Bombi's coming. Cosi Bombi.
She just woke up. Hola. Arya. Hola.
Okay. Now
And now the onion.
the onionita. This is a technique that my mom told me. Just chop it like this. Just be careful. Like everywhere, like this. You don't follow a pattern. So like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and it's easy. You will see. You will see, chavos, 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 chavos. You will see chavos, you will see chavos. Chavo, chavo, chabolines, chabolines, chabolines. Now, check this out. There you go, papa. Ya nomás. Easy peasy. You see? and gets more fine actually. You know? What do you think? A little bit more? A little bit more. A little bit more. It's a Mexico City way to chop it. When you go to the taquerias, you know, it's easy. Oh shit, I'm crying already. Don't hit me hard. Oh shit. Too strong. El cilantruco luco. Because we love cilantro. You love cilantro, baby? Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
And again, this is cactus salad.
Cactus salad. Very simple, easy. It's like a pico de gallo. Pico de gallo. And just to make it a little bit more interesting, I'm gonna put some one serrano chili, but where is it?
Right here.
But I'm gonna chop it too, and I'm gonna toss it. So I'm gonna boil it all together with the cactus, like this. Just slice it, slice it, slice, slice it, slice it, slice. Slice it, slice it, slice. Slice it, slice it, slice. Slice it, slices.
So now we're just waiting for that to boil.
Yes.
And we'll get back to you. So that's how it looks right now.
Just waiting patiently, patiently, because it's not ready yet.
And we're just waiting for it to boil.
It's taking forever. I don't know why.
And I will show you.
Be careful, baby. I don't want it to jump on you.
We'll show you when how we mix all the ingredients together.
Look, come.
There you go, boiling.
That's the color we were looking. Okay. Now what we have to do is put them in a strainer.
Did you off the already off?
This one is already off, but I need you to hold this. Hold it. Hold it tight. Watch out, watch out, watch out. It's hella hot. You got it?
Yeah. Ay, ay, ay.
This. Hold it, Lolita. Thank you. Now we just have to take all this, the copper, remember? Leave it here. What is the other one? Okay, we'll show later. And there you go. Now we're just gonna put everything all together. Just looking for the copper. I don't know where is it. Now it's time to just, mix it all together. I'm gonna put more lime. It's like a pico de gallo, remember that. Just to get more flavor. You know that, chavos. You know that, chavos. Lime. And we need more, we need the salt. Very cold salt. Very croissant. We have the grinder, chapulines. You know, this is on you. I'm a very salty guy in all expressions, all the ways possible. So I'm very salty.
And just mix it.
Mix it all together, and look how the colors are coming out. Nice, nice. Nicey, very nice. Nicey, nice. Nicey, very nice. So you have to know that the cactus has more protein, or has the same protein as a steak, a piece of steak. So it has a lot of protein. It's pretty healthy. That's why Mexicans, we are the best.
And food?
Everything. You know that, child, right? I feel like it's missing a little bit of tomato. I don't see much red color coming out. What do you think, baby? Oh, found the other one. Got this. Okay.
Good, try it.
It's hot. Pretty good. Maybe a little bit more salt. But that's... Oh, you know what? Pepper. Pepperoni. Pepperoni. We put like 2 ounces of pepper. 2 ounces. It's a lot. I don't know, chavos. Don't ask me about measurements.
It's like 2 sprinkles.
Yeah, a couple of sprinkles. So yummy. This is my wife's favorite, because she loves Mexican food. That's her favorite food ever, even more than Filipino food.
She's speaking for myself.
Okay, chavos.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go to
Time
the
to
table.
eat.
Ready to eat. Nopales, my new creation. Beef, chicken, potatoes, rice, and I do have my chipotle mayo.
So,
Perfecto.
yeah. It's dinner time.
Dinner time, chavos.
And he said that that's his new creation of salsa maya.
Yeah, this is gonna be called Inferno. Inferno. No, it's not Inferno.
Thanks for watching or share and subscribe.